I'm Las Vegas personal injury attorney Michael Becker. Getting into an accident with a truck can cause enormous damage and catastrophic injuries, if not death. If the truck is a commercial vehicle, the business that owns it may have enough insurance to pay a 6, 7, or even 8-figure settlement. Just in 2020, a Florida jury awarded a trucking crash victim a $412 million verdict. Every case is different, so there is no way to predict how much a particular trucking case could settle for. But in every case, the plaintiff's personal injury attorneys will be fighting for the following 4 damages. 1. Past and future medical bills. This includes everything from hospital stays, rehab and medications to medical equipment, home health care, and mental health care. 2. Lost wages and lost earning capacity from being unable to work due to injuries. And this includes not only salary, but also bonuses, tips, and other benefits. 3. Property damage and cost of repairs. Since trucking accidents often result in the plaintiff's vehicle getting totaled, these damages may include the costs of an entirely new car for the plaintiff. And 4, pain and suffering, which is the highest cost and is typically calculated by multiplying the aforementioned costs by an agreed upon number. Depending on the details of the case, personal injury attorneys can also negotiate to recover damages for loss of consortium and wrongful death. If you've been injured in an accident in Nevada, call my legal team today at 702-919-1900 for a free consultation. The attorneys at the Las Vegas Defense Group will fight for the largest settlement possible.